welcome back to RC3D. Ryan here. That was a slightly different introduction to this video because I just wanted to show the damage that I've been adding to this mask. Now you might have seen a previous video where I did some painting and weathering to somebody else's file that I got from Cults 3D. That's a really good file, that is, but I kind of wanted to put my own stamp on it. You know, make my own mask, my own version, because there was some things that just weren't so great that were niggling me about that file, and I kind of wanted to improve those things on this one. So I've modeled this one, and I've done two versions of this one. So I've got the damaged and undamaged version now. I mean, and this one's got the longer mouth because it's supposed to be quite long and thin toward the bottom there. So I did that. I made the eyes slightly bigger as well. And if you see at the top, kind of like the eyebrow parts, they turn outwards, almost like the face is in sorrow or something, you know, like distress or sadness in the mask. So I don't know if this was the best way to do it using the draw tool on Subtract. If anyone knows about Blender, please let me know in the comments section, like if I was doing that the right way or not. Because if there's another way of doing it where it looks better, I'm all ears. So in this video, we're going to be painting and making the undamaged mask. You can see here with the shroud and eyes and all of it. We're going to be making all of that. And in the next video, we're going to be making this one, my damaged version.
Oh, and don't forget, like and subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching.
Wow, so I hope you found that video helpful. That'd be cool to see what everyone else comes up with. The link for these files for this mask will be in the description down below. Please share your makes on there. I would really love to see what you guys and girls come up with. So in the next video, we're going to be looking at the distressed one. Well, maybe not the next video, but in a future video, we'll be going through this one and be going through the same process to get the Scream 6 look on this. So yeah, thanks for watching and take care.